Welcome to Calvin's Online Math. Let us look at this interesting question. Solve the equation root x plus root of x plus 7 is equal to 7. So in this case, let us take root of x to the right-hand side so that we are left with root of x plus 7 is equal to 7. When you take this to the side, it becomes negative. So the next thing would be to just square both sides to get rid of the root sign on the left-hand side. So for the left-hand side, we just use the square to get rid of the root sign. But on the right-hand side, we are going to expand it. So we can expand this using one of the quadratic identities. In this case, we have a minus b squared, which will just be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So let us apply this in the right-hand side here. So for the left-hand side, we're just going to have x plus 7. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to apply this quadratic identity so that we have 7 squared, which is 49, minus 2 times 7 times root of x, which is 14 root of x, and then root of x squared, which is just x. Then the next thing is just to collect all the terms with x's to the left. So we have x, then you take this x to the left, it will be negative x. Then you take this term with the x, it will be positive 14 root of x. Now take all the constant terms to the right-hand side. So you'll have 49 minus 7. So if we simplify this, we're going to have x minus x is 0. So we're left with 14 root of x is equal to 49 minus 7, which is just 42. Then the next step would be to just divide both sides by 14. If you divide both sides by 14, you're going to be left with root x is equal to 14 into 42 3 times. Now you have root x is equal to 3. You can just get x by squaring both sides. So when you square root of x, you get x. And when you square 3, you get 9. Thank you for watching. Kindly like, share, and don't forget to subscribe.